And in terms of the teams going after these big opportunities, are there any traits or characteristics you've seen in successful AI product teams that you can share with our audience?
First, I think there's a big difference between AI engineers and software engineers, and people often confuse that. One always needs a person in a team that understands the problem. People always ignore or often ignore the product management aspect of formulating the problem you try to solve correctly in the context of problems some user has. So composing the right team is very tricky. And it's one of the things I spend a lot of time advising entrepreneurs on how to compose their teams. I have a few things I've written on our website that are pretty old but still relevant. But I would just say team building is very hard. Obviously, picking the right market. And then within a market, picking the right approach to a market. Which part of the market, where do you build your MVP? Where do you get your toehold in the market? All those are tricky things. And the right team in the right market can still fail because of tactics and strategy.